Virginia taxpayers, listen up. You could be getting some money back. The state is expected to hand out one-time rebates. Capitol Bureau reporter Jackie DeFusco is live at the Capitol with how much you'll get and when those payments could come rolling in. Jackie.
Hey, Eric, that campaign promise from Governor Glenn Youngkin really gaining broad bipartisan support. And lawmakers I'm speaking to are now saying they're confident that these one-time payments are going to get approved. The question really is, how much?
We want to have the largest tax rebate in the history of Virginia.
Speaking to Chamber RVA today, Governor Glenn Youngkin promoting his plan to give Virginia taxpayers a little extra cash later this year.
Because we have an excess amount of money in the budget. The state has been very prosperous over the last year.
Delegate Roxanne Robinson's proposal, supported by Youngkin, would give back up to $300 for individuals and $600 for married couples. A more modest Senate plan pitching $250 max for individuals and $500 for married couples. The smaller amount gives lawmakers an extra $200 million for spending priorities like mental health services. That's according to Senator Emmett Hanger, a lead Republican budget negotiator who's been skeptical of longer-term tax cuts.
I would support an even larger amount if we leave some of the tax reform on the table.
Robinson expects the payments to come out between July and November of this year, likely as a check or direct deposit for those filing a final Virginia income tax return before November 1st of 2022.
It'll just be automatic through the Virginia Department of Taxation. So I don't think there's really anything you can do unless you just don't receive a check and feel you're entitled to one.
Hanger explaining not everyone is eligible.
If you do not have a tax liability at all, if that's zero, and there are a lot of people that fall into that category, then you would not get a refund.
Now, House and Senate negotiations on how much those tax rebates should be move behind closed doors in the final scheduled week of this 2022 session. After they make a deal, Governor Glenn Youngkin will still have the opportunity to make changes to that budget plan. Live at the Capitol tonight, I'm Jackie DeFusco, 8 News.